Everyone has a favorite color. They look nice, makes us feel good, and people tend to use that in every setting, including their space. Sometimes it gets a little too noisy. As designers, we'd like to avoid that for our clients. But what if I told you there's a stone where you could splash it everywhere without all that noise? Rosa Rosa. It's not just an average pink. Instead of screaming, it's subtle yet impactful, bringing out feelings of both high-end luxury and childlike wonder next to pearlescent whites. It's for designers who want spaces that put smiles on faces. Pretty simple. If all bright monocolor spaces or other neutrals are just a little too sterile for you, the natural stone nature of Rosa Rosa helps that by artistically adding strokes of pink throughout. It comes from South Africa, out of Namibia. There are no two pieces exactly alike. And the level of subtlety within this pink is just a great warm neutral. Rosa Rosa currently comes in 13 different designs. Most of them are polished. However, 2 of them, which I have right here, are brushed. 2¼ by 9 and soap.